Where skills develop and grow is easier with mathello.
Hi, my name is Fatma Ehab. I'm studying in JTCC Fujairah. I'm from DO level, and now I will be doing 1-digit 20 rows, 2-digit 5 rows.
Ready?
Yes.
3, 8, minus 4, 6, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, minus 5, 1, 9, 1, minus 5, 4, 6, 7, minus 4, minus 2, 8, 3.
55.
Correct. Next. 43, 92, 50, 18, 67.
Answer is 270.
Correct.
Thank you.